Imagine opening your electricity bill and seeing a number that makes you smile instead of cringe. Now picture your home gaining value just because the sun shines on it. In Texas, this is no fantasy. Solar energy is turning these dreams into reality for thousands of homeowners. With abundant sunshine, generous tax incentives, and rising utility costs, Texas is becoming a solar power hotspot. And the best part? It's not just about saving money. It's about investing in a future that's cleaner, smarter, and surprisingly profitable. Texas isn't just big, it's brilliantly sunny. On average, the state enjoys over 230 sunny days a year, making it one of the most solar-friendly regions in the US. That means solar panels in Texas don't just work, they thrive. With high energy consumption due to air conditioning needs and sprawling homes, Texans can benefit more than most from tapping into the sun. One of the biggest reasons homeowners are making the switch is cost. Solar panels drastically cut electricity bills, and with net metering, excess energy you produce can actually earn you credits. Over time, your system pays for itself and keeps giving back. And thanks to falling panel prices and more financing options, solar is more affordable than ever. But the financial benefits don't stop there. Installing solar panels can significantly boost your home's resale value. Buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient features, and homes with solar systems often sell faster and at higher prices. In a competitive housing market like Texas, that can be a serious advantage. Then come the incentives. Texas homeowners can tap into the federal solar tax credit, which currently covers up to 30% of installation costs. Depending on your city or utility provider, you may also be eligible for local rebates and property tax exemptions. These programs make solar a financially smart move, not just an environmental one. And while you're saving money and adding value, you're also doing something great for the planet. Reducing dependence on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions contributes to a more sustainable world, one rooftop at a time. So whether you're in Austin, Dallas, Houston, or anywhere under the Texas sun, switching to solar isn't just a good idea, it's a brilliant one. Would you consider going solar if it meant lower bills and a higher home value?